Hey yo, we got the new watch in today. Let's unbox it and check it out. Alright, there's the outer box there. It's just the cardboard outer box, and inside is the white Omega box. So what kind of Omega is it? Well, it is the Omega Seamaster Blue Dial, 300 meter water resistance, and it's a nice looking piece there, nice box. Slide this open, and inside you have a wood box, instructions and card on the tuck to the right here. Kind of a bitch to get out, but there's the instructions and bunch of foreign fucking language. You know, English is first, and then the rest is just a bunch of fucking different languages. And I think that's for all the watches, except like super special ones. I think that might actually just be for all of them. This is the card with the serial number on it and the reference number of the watch. You can see that there briefly. Put this fucking thing over there. Set that up nice. All right. Never messed with one of these. Like I said, this is my first retail, well, I should say fucking brand new experience, not retail experience. But there's a little blue sticker on there. No one else has fucking thumbed this up. This little button here doesn't open unless you push the button. And there it is. There's the watch. Brand new. Check it fucking out. Looks pretty nice. It's already heavy. You know, it already feels pretty heavy. You can tell that the bracelet is solid. There's the little, you know, take this off and you're fucked. Can't take it back kind of shit. Here's the little hang tag, Omega hang tag. Usually the price tag would be in there if it was actually at an AD or an authorized dealer. And really the dial is really nice. It's very fine. They're no longer making the wave dial that they used to make. This is just the flat blue, and it's pretty nice. The sticks and the dots are nice and raised up. They stand out. The hands, they have a nice design to them. And I'll get you a loom shot here. The looms are different colors. As you can see there. Anyways, this is the sides of it. Not super high mirror polished on each side, just kind of a light brushed. Gonna unscrew this here and give it a little bit of a wind, get it to run. Really easy to wind, smooth winding motion. And there's the watch running. Keep winding it up there, make sure it's got a, you know, screwed the crown back down. And there's the watch running. There's the side of the crown. You can kind of see, I'm trying to get in focus, the Omega symbol. But you can see it on the crown there. You have to excuse trying to do a couple different things. Trying to look at it for myself and look at it through the fucking camera, you know. First time I'm seeing it, so a little, getting a little off track here. Just checking everything out. There is the plastic. There's a clear plastic over many parts of the bracelet and the clasp and everything, especially the face. There's the clasp. Nice branding on the clasp there. Oh, once you peel that off, you're fucked. You can't fucking return it as new after that. So once it's scratched or whatever. So just for a second, I actually, when I purchased this, I thought maybe I was just gonna flip it. Just check it out for a while, but now that I actually have it in my hand, it is really fucking nice. Really fucking nice watch. The bracelet is all the same width, unlike the other watches that I have, and I don't know if I'm gonna love that on the wrist or not like that on the wrist. Here's the bezel. Solid 2 clicks every minute, so it should be 120 clicks all the way around. Very nice smooth action there. Oh, fucking no big deal. Fucking put it back. And yeah, it's running great. Looks great. The sapphire is so reflective, even with that plastic on it. Just seeing if I can't. There we go. Get this other off. So it's done now. It's gotta check it out. There's that great looking fucking Seamaster logo on the back. Let's get a better shot of that. Boy, that is sharp. The high polish and the way it's great. It fucking looks really cool. I love this bracelet. I just love how that looks. Get some more of this shit off. The edges feel pretty smooth. They're a little rougher than I expected, if I'm being completely honest, but really smooth in general. This fucking thing's being a real cunt. It's just time to get rid of all these stickers. And the sticker on the inside of the clasp, I'm going to deal with at a later time. Not going to do it on video. But boy, I did. Going back to those looms, man, is that fucking cool. Just fucking, I mean, those are cool. Alright, so still working on trying to get this stupid fucking thing off. And just being a real bitch. Alright, that's off. And there you have it. Pretty much ready to go. Alright, there it is on the wrist. Looks fucking sharp. Kind of, the blue, it's really hard, as I said, for the camera to do this blue justice. It's very, very blue. But this camera's really picking it up almost like I don't know, like more of a navy than it is. It's a much lighter blue than it actually looks. And the bracelet looks great. I do like the helium escape valve. I just kind of like how it's just chilling up there by the 10 o'clock pip. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by and checking out another watch video. This is the Omega Seamaster. What a fucking piece.